Hey everyone, hey, this is Chad with Your Quality Pressure Washing. We're out here in the beautiful neighborhood of Memorial City doing some pressure washing on a driveway. I wanted to explain a little bit about our concrete cleaning process, a little bit more about it and how it works. We apply a mold and algae solution soap to the actual concrete. As you can see, it's soapy. We let it set for a few minutes, and what it does is it kills the mold, the mildew, and the algae on the actual concrete. And we come back here with our concrete rotary surface cleaner. As you can see, the excellent results that it gives off. On the left you got dirty, on the right you got clean. So I'm going to show you a little demonstration. Here we go. As you see, you're going to walk it this way, go back up this way, and up this way. And you see the fantastic results. This is a very safe cleaning process for concrete, pool decks, patios, porches. We specialize in low pressure cleaning. Also, we specialize in soft washing for houses. We serve Memorial City, all surrounding areas, Briar Grove Park, Briar Forest, the West Chase area. We're doing some gutter cleaning also. We offer gutter cleaning service out here in Memorial City. We got Eddie up there. He's a good helper. We get out here and do a professional job for all our customers, and everybody is happy. So if you need any quotes or prices for pressure washing, gutter cleaning, pool deck cleaning, fence cleaning and restoration, soft washing, power washing, give us a call at 832-890-7640, or you can visit us on the web at www.yourqualitypressurewashing.com. Thanks everybody. I hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe to us and see what more cleanings we got coming. Thank you.